Alright.
And salt on it.
Let's do this. Eat it.
Just don't even think about it.
Eat it. You made it.
Oh, that was for comedy, though. Oh, I'm so hungry, though.
Is it hard to pick up?
No, I just don't want to pick it up. It's got some weight to it.
You're gonna get all that cinnamon right away.
Right in the...
Oh, it's like Satan's crap.
Dude, think about the turkey.
Come on.
What else do we put on this? I don't know. Tortilla chips.
Eat it. Take a really big bite.
Come on. I don't want to hit the salt, though. That's what I'm worried about. The Kool-Aid.
Come on.
Jar.
Stop thinking about it. Just do it.
Oh my god.
Chew. Is it good?
Your face. Swallow it. Swallow it. We'll give you a...
Bullshit!